Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the lifelong LLEK15 1.5 liter electric kettle. This is the box that it comes in. There's an illustration of the electric kettle right on top, as you can see. Not much information over here. It says it comes with a 360-degree concealed base. It's cordless, has a stainless steel body, and also comes with auto cut-off features. That's more or less all the information here. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a 6 months extended warranty from Lifelong. It's an important document. You shouldn't lose it. This is the cord base, basically the heating base. You will see there's a heating element over here. Not just that, this comes with a 360-degree concealed base as well. So the idea is that you'll be able to wound this wire around this area when you want to store it. Speaking of which, this particular electric kettle comes with a flat TPE power cable with a 2-point pin on one end, as you can see. This is almost a meter long, so yeah, not a bad length at all. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle in question. This is the Lifelong LLEK15 1.5 liter electric kettle. It's super light, by the way. Notice this is where the base will connect to. This is a heating, you will know these are the heating coils. This is a stainless steel exterior. This is a very thin stainless steel exterior, and as is the interior. There you go. You can see the interior is also made out of stainless steel. This particular electric kettle comes with auto cut-off feature, which means that when you start boiling water, this indicator will glow red, and once boiling is done, this indicator will switch off, and this switch will switch off automatically, and the switch basically will switch off automatically as well. This also comes with this particular locking feature on top, and also has a cool touch handle which is made out of plastic. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Lifelong LLEK15 1.5 liter electric kettle. Thank you for watching.